Good afternoon, student. Now we are discussed about the map work. Mark the following the map on the world map. We are using the world map. We want to mark that what is the Axis power countries in the Second World War. What is the first is the already was studied the Germany. Okay, what is the nearby African up? Okay, this is the Russia. Okay, this place is the Russia. They are split at the both. What is the continent? Russia, and this is the place for that. What is that? Europe. This is not Russia, means Europe, and this is a continent will be Asia continent. So this is the Europe continent. We have that in another mark. What is the place mark? First is the Germany, Hungary, and next is the another Romania, and next is the, what is the place mark? Bulgaria, and another one small country is the another Italy. This all will be Axis power country in the Second World War. And next is the allied power countries. What is the place in the they have allied, they join and together make the war in the Second World War. What is the place? Already we know that this is the another fully another they affected with the Asia and another Europe continent. So this is the place you want mark the Moscow. This is the Greece. Okay, the down is the another Africa nearby. This is the Greece, and this is the outer part of the what is the name? Denmark. What is yes, and Poland, and this is the Norway, and here what is the United Kingdom, Netherlands, Belgium, and France. What is the this is outside part of the France, Belgium, Netherlands, United Kingdom, and after the United Kingdom, after you want to write Norway, and this is the North America and South America. North America and South America you want to mark in the Brazil, and this is North America you want the United States. Is the what is the place mark? Canada, and this is the sign San Francisco and Hawaii Island, and this is the island for this is the ocean of the North Pacific Ocean. This is the South Pacific Ocean. This side is the South Atlantic Ocean. This is the North Atlantic Ocean. The North Atlantic Ocean nearby only you want to mark France, Belgium, and Netherlands, United Kingdom, and Norway. And inside you want to mark in the Denmark, Poland, and another one is another Moscow, and down is the nearby in the African continent you want to mark in the Greece. And this side, this is what is the place mark? The India nearby our neighbor country is China, and down one island will be there. You know very well what is the island mark? Australia, and another one small island New Zealand, and here is the another Antarctica Ocean, and Antarctica Ocean up to another Southern Ocean. And you know that our India down one ocean only there. What is the ocean mark? Indian Ocean, and this is all the continent will be a USSR continent. Understood you all of you? Thank you, students.